Okay, I'm going to learn how to record my desktop and show you how to make an alarm clock with Ubuntu 9.10. I'm going to use KAlarm, which isn't installed by default, but it is available in the repositories. So once you have that installed, it'll be located under Applications, Accessories, KAlarm. Now what we're going to do is create a new command alarm. So we click that button, and I'm going to put a check mark and enter a script, and I'm just going to create a simple bash script to play an alarm sound. To create the bash script, it's the !, exclamation point, /bin /bash. That's the default shell in Ubuntu 9.10. And there's a command line program installed by default called mpg123. So we're going to use that to play a MP3 file. And I downloaded an MP3 file of an alarm clock sound. So we enter that, and I'm going to have it go off at the end of this minute. So we can try it out. And once we have it all set up, I can close KAlarm and it'll run up here in the taskbar. And at the end of the minute, we should have an alarm sound go off. The And there you go, an alarm clock for Ubuntu 9.10.